afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm John, and we're here to answer questions. The mysterious questions of concrete on the internet. Ding! What's the question?
How safe is colloidal silica?
As I cough. How safe is colloidal silica? Colloidal silica is one of the safer materials to use when we're looking at dry and liquid additives, mixed integral or sprayed on top of concrete. Colloidal silica has actually been used for years in the food industry, also in the electronics polishing industry, in the cleaning industry. So if you like beer, ketchup, wine, or if you wear glasses or use cleaning products like glass cleaners, hold on. Then you've used colloidal silica. What's great about this stuff is it, compared to like crystalline silica or dried silica, where we have to worry about it pluming up and then us breathing it, with a dispersion of nano-sized silica particles, normally when they dry, they flocculate or agglomerate into larger masses that then cannot plume up, which cause inhalation risks. Sorry, I've got a timer here. So that's really the benefit of using, a colloidal silica as opposed to, something of another variety. So yeah, hopefully I answered your question. Let us know if you got any concrete questions, concrete concerns. Have an awesome day. Go concrete!